Hello, family! You spend 4 to 5 hours daily on Instagram. What if you could get paid for it? Social media marketing is not time pass. It's a high income skill. No experience, no coding, no degree required. Yet brands are paying 20 to 60K rupees per month for social media managers. Want to earn online but don't know where to start? Learn social media marketing. Want to master social media marketing from zero? This 10-day social media marketing course for beginners follows a simple, step-by-step approach to help you learn the fundamentals, build practical skills, and grow confidently from day one. Want to build a strong social media strategy from day one? In day one, you'll learn the basics of social media marketing, why it matters for businesses in 2026. Explore major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok, and set clear goals for awareness, engagement, leads, and sales. Then, in day two, you'll dive into audience research by understanding demographics, interests, behavior, and pain points, using tools like Facebook Audience Insights, Google Analytics, and LinkedIn Analytics to create powerful buyer personas. Confused about which social media platforms actually work for your business? In day three, you'll learn how to choose the right platforms based on your audience and business type. Understand platform-specific features, posting styles, and content formats, and focus on quality over quantity by selecting the best 2-3 platforms. Then, in day four, you'll master content strategy and planning by learning different content types, building strong content pillars, and creating a simple content calendar for consistent posting. Day 5 and day 6, master content and posting like a pro. Want to create content that grabs attention and actually gets results? On day 5, you'll learn graphic design basics using tools like Canva and Trello, write catchy captions with powerful CTAs, use trending hashtags and emojis effectively, and even design 3 social media posts for your brand. Then, on day 6, you'll discover the best posting times for each platform. Learn how to schedule posts using tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Meta Business Suite. Understand the power of consistency and schedule a full week of posts with confidence. Day 7 and day 8, engagement to advertising. Posting daily won't grow your brand. Smart engagement and ads will. Day 7 focuses on responding to comments and messages, increasing likes, shares, and followers organically, and building a strong community through groups and daily interactions. Day 8 introduces paid advertising basics, including Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn ads, targeting and budgeting, understanding awareness, engagement, and conversion campaigns, and finally, launching a small test ad, even with a $5 to $10 budget. Day 9 and day 10. Track, optimize, and scale. Posting without tracking is just guessing. Day 9 is all about analytics, understanding key metrics like reach, impressions, engagement, CTR, and conversion rate using tools like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google Analytics, and learning how data helps refine your content strategy by identifying top-performing posts. Day 10 focuses on optimizing and scaling, improving content using performance data, exploring collaborations, influencer marketing, and partnerships, and finally, creating a clear 30-day social media strategy for long-term growth and consistency. Stop scrolling for a second. Stop posting randomly. Start posting strategically. In this social media marketing course, you'll learn how to grow accounts and turn followers into income. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment your thoughts, share it with others, and subscribe for more useful content. Have a great day ahead!